Have you ever wondered why freshly made soap isn't ready to be used immediately? Many people think once the soap hardens, it's good to go. No, but the truth is, bar soap still have a long journey to go called curing. Curing is the secret behind a hard, long-lasting and gentle bar of soap. In this video, I will explain what curing is, why it matters, and how to go about it. Curing means letting soap sit and dry for several weeks after it is made. During this time, extra water evaporates and the soap finishes its chemical reaction called saponification. By the end, your soap is now harder, safer, and produces a good, creamier lather. Why does soap need to go process of curing? Fresh soap contains a lot of water. If you use it too soon, it will melt quickly. It feels slimy and may even be harsh on the skin. But with curing, the water evaporates, the bar hardens, and the soap becomes milder. Fragrances also stabilizes, and the bar lasts longer. Skipping curing is like pulling bread out of the oven half-baked. How long should you keep your soap to cure? For most soap, especially cold processed soap, you normally leave them for 4 to 6 weeks. The longer they cure, the better the soap. How do you cure our soaps properly? Place your soaps on a rack in a cool, dry spot with good airflow. Turn them every few days for easy drying. Keep them out of direct sunlight. Please keep your soaps out of direct sunlight and don't stack them together. Don't stack them too close. Give them space. Signs that your soap is ready. How do you know that your soap is ready? After curing, soap feels lighter. When you feel your soap that your soaps are lighter, they are harder and long-lasting underwater, you know that your soaps are ready for use. It gives a smoother, richer lather than fresh soap. So remember, curing isn't just waiting around. It's the final step that transforms your soap into something amazing, hard, gentle, and long-lasting. So if you want a professional quality soap, let patience be part of your recipe. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other soap makers.